Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to solve IMO video call problem. What you can do is hold on IMO mobile application and click on the I button. Once you click on the I button, go to the storage option and at the bottom you can see clear data. Click on it and clear the cache memory. Click on OK and as you can see the cache memory has been deleted. The other step you can do is go to your Play Store or App Store and search for IMO. Search for IMO and make sure that it is updated. If there is an update, just update it first. After that, what you can do is relaunch the IMO app, refresh the page, and that should definitely work. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries, leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care, see you next time.